Hello dear students, welcome to the video class. In this class I am going to explain you about the Python. So let's start the class with the introduction. Python is a programming language. First of all, you need to understand what are the programming language. Programming language are those languages which are used to perform some specific task, some specific requirement of the user, some specific task performed by some languages, that is called the programming languages. What are the other examples of programming language? Just like C, C++, C Sharp, Java, PHP. These are the other name of the programming language. I think you must be learned in chapter number first. I have explained you about this programming language. But nowadays Python programming language is very most popular in the recent year, and we have the golden opportunity to learn the Python language because the Python language is in our syllabus. So Python is a programming language. Next point, it was created by Guido van Rossum. It is also called the father of the Python. One question is asked, who is the father of the Python? Because he is created the Python language, that is why he is the father of the Python. Next one is Python is a high level programming language. It is a high level programming language. What are the high level programming language? The language which are easy to understand by the user are known as the high level programming language. And the Python language was released in the year of 1991. So this is the brief introduction of the Python. Next one is, what are the different features of the Python programming language? Let's understand one by one. The first one is, it is easy to learn general purpose programming language. That means it is very easy to learn. When I explain you about the syntax general programming language, then you will understand and you will see it is very easy. Now the next point is, it has the simple syntax. Now here is the word comes syntax. Try to understand what is syntax. I am going to explain you. Just like now till yet you know only two type of language. One is Hindi language and the other one is English language. I am sure everyone must know about the Hindi language and the English language. In both the language there are some rules. Just like if we talk about the English language, there are some rules like grammar rules, noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, some rules in the English language. So that rules in computer programming language, the word is given syntax. That rules is known as syntax in the programming language. So it has simple syntax, or in the simple language I can say it has the very simple rule. It has easy to learn and the very simple rule. Now the next features of the Python is, it is case sensitive language. This word is very most important. Case sensitive. What is the meaning of case sensitive? Case sensitive, with an example I am going to explain you. Suppose I have written small a is equal to 10. Python understand small a is equal to 10. If I will write capital A is equal to 10. So Python will understand both statement different. This is the different statement, this one is the different statement. That means in the small letters you write anything and the capital letters you write anything, both have the different meaning. Such kind of language is known as the case sensitive language. Okay, or in computer technical world, whatever if you use to write the small letters like A, B, C, D, that is called the lower case in computer language. And if you suppose used to write the capital ABCD, means capital letters A, B, C, D, then it is known as the uppercase. Okay, uppercase, right? So Python is a case sensitive language. That means it, if we write A is equal to 10 and capital A is equal to 10, both have the different meaning in Python. I will explain in detail when I teach the syntax of the Python. Now the next one is, it is free to use and free for the commercial product. Or in the technical world, we will also say Python is an open source. What is the meaning of open source? Open source means so the product which is free available in the internet. You need not to pay anything. Such kind of product is known to be open source. So Python is an open source programming language, or in the simple word we can say that it is easy to use programming language. So these are the four very most important features of the Python programming language. First one is it is easy to learn. It has the very simple syntax. Python is case sensitive. Case sensitive means if I write small a is equal to 10, capital A is equal to 10, both have the different meaning in Python. Second one, Python is open source. What is the meaning of open source? That means it is free to use. Now the next topic is application of the Python programming language. Application means where we use Python programming language. Nowadays, almost every IT industry is using the Python programming language. The first one, we used to build a website. If you try to build any kind of website, then the Python programming language nowadays very most popular. With the Python programming language, you can build the website just like Google is also using the Python. Microsoft is also using the Python. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or your own website. Then with the help of Python programming language, it can be built a website. Next one is develop games. I'm sure at some of you or most of you must play game in mobile or in computer, laptop or desktop. So but you play the game, but can you think or have you ever thought how you will create the game, how to create your own game? Have you how to create your own game? Okay, if you know the Python programming language, then you must create your own game, or most of the games created by the Python programming language. Now the next uses or next application of Python programming language is program robots. Nowadays different robots are very popular. So in robotics programming, we can use the Python programming language. Next uses is Python is also used in scientific computation, and the last one is Python is also used in AI, that means artificial intelligence application. What are the artificial intelligence application? I am going to explain you artificial intelligence with an example. That means machine learning, artificial intelligence. Suppose nowadays, suppose you chat someone via WhatsApp, and when you type any word, just like if you type suppose py, then automatically it will suggest you Python or some other word related to Python. This is what it is. This kind of intelligence is known as artificial intelligence. So Python programming language is also used in AI, that means artificial intelligence program. So if we summarize today's class, what I have explained to you. Firstly, I have explained about the introduction, what are the Python programming language. It is created by Guido van Rossum. It is the high level programming language, and Python language was released in 1991. Next one, I have explained you about the some features of programming language which are easy to use. It has the simple syntax, case sensitive, and it is open source programming language. Then I have explained you about the different applications of Python programming language, which is you can build a website, develop the game. Python programming language is also used in scientific computation, and it is also used in AI, that means artificial intelligence application. That's all for this class, everyone. In the next class, I am going to explain you how you will install Python. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.